Hello people. Zoe forgot to update you on the EJ9, so I'm going to do it instead since I've been doing work on it. I fitted the spoiler, the mid-rear spoiler on. Needs paint obviously, but looks good, doesn't it?
We had to fill in the hole. Obviously, it has a hole for the wiper blade.
Oh yeah, it was like there, wasn't it?
About there. So we filled that all in.
So now it's one without the springs in it. That was there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So come around the front. Fitted a front lip and fog lights. I'll just put the fog lights on. Ignition.
There you go. Nice.
So yeah, they're hooked up to the button in here. It was black.
Big sad that there's no heart indicators anymore, but yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. There was a blank there. So
Yeah,
now
you fitted a button. Granny seats are back in as well. You like your granny seats?
I think you've seen that.
Yeah, they might have, yeah.
I painted the
Oh, yeah, you've painted the radio.
the radio bezel in the car colour.
So, yeah, so now it matches the clocks, doesn't it?
Yeah, still not sure what radio to put in. I want to I don't want the basic one. I kind of want either a flip up or a screen in it. I don't know.
I think flip up would go with the the vibe you're going for.
So then you don't need to buy a different fascia. Still need to correct the paint because I mean it was my first time painting. It's a little bit orange, but yeah. And then we're gonna still planning on engine swapping it. I think I put that in since you last saw as well.
Yeah, there was
Like a brake, master cylinder brace. So yeah, we're going to do, this is a D14. Where it says that behind the battery. And this is
You can't really read it.
15.
Which we got out of a, what was it?
EJ Coupe. D16Y7.
So that's what's going
So,
in.
Apparently that should be plug and play. I've got the ECU as well. I think put it in the car. And then I would like to turbo it as well. Because I've never done that. And yeah.
So they're,
nice and easy.
so they're like the future plans, but we're not going to get to them just yet, are we?
No, because we've got Japan in a month. So we're going to be on the lookout for parts for this, S2000, maybe even the EM. Don't know if they even did them over there.
Don't know. But you can see the EM, isn't it? You can just see her in the background, just there. Sorry, state.
So yeah, we're going to be looking out for definitely a grill because can't find a good grill.
Well, we tried to make one, didn't we? Is this the
Yeah.
old one or the new one?
That's the old D-bag.
Yeah, we tried to make one using the Dremel, but it didn't turn out very well. And then we bought a new one, but it was flimsy and it didn't sit correctly in the thing.
They just don't sit well.
No, so we're gonna hopefully get one in Japan and then some other bits that we're after as well.
Maybe some mirrors or some spoon stuff.
Yeah,
Stuff.
some spoon sport stuff.
Gear knobs, pull buttons, steering wheel.
Yeah.
Anything like that I can fit in the case.
And then you're going to look for, when you get back, you're going to get into welding, aren't you?
I'd like to buy a welder because this needs welding to be MOT worthy, and clearly the exhaust.
Yeah, so that won't be staying. We do have, is this open? Yeah. We do have obviously the old one, but you all know that I got pulled for it. It was too loud. So then welding wise, we've just got this, and I'll insert a photo now of the underneath. There's a little bit of it's barely nothing, but it will fail.
Too close to a suspension or jacking point.
Yeah. So we just need to work that out, and then he wants to weld a silencer on to the thing, don't you? That's what you want. Is it a silencer you want to add, or
that like a mid box?
Mid box, yeah.
Something that will just tone it down.
So that's kind of the update on the EJ, isn't it, of where she is.
Yeah.
Big things coming, basically. Hopefully, she'll be on the road.
I need an engine crane.
Yeah.
I need an engine stand. So like they're two big things that I need to put obviously that engine on, refresh it a little bit.
Yeah.
Before it goes in.
So hopefully, yeah, is that what we're going to focus on in winter, do you think, or?
Yeah, I did have plans for the S2000 needs diff bushes.
Yeah.
Because they're perishing.
I don't know if I've showed them your little girl inside. Is it open?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to get a proper one from Japan. Yeah. This is his little flicks. Little things on life, eh?
Yeah.
And then for me, obviously, I'll be working on the EM. So the plan is I've got a front bumper that's come from America. I'll show you a photo now of it still unrolling itself. And then we're going to use the rear bumper, which is upstairs at the moment. We're going to try and adapt it, aren't we?
Yeah.
But the only thing kind of holding that off is seats. So the old seats were horrendously covered in all sorts. So we've been trying for quite a few months, haven't we, to find either FN2, EP, anything that'll fit. Yeah.
They're always for sale.
Yeah, they're just.
Whenever you look, they're never close.
No, it's just like Birmingham or Bradford. Where else are they normally? There's loads in Scotland, loads, but it's just too far for us at the moment. But yeah, I think that's everything. So a lot of things, obviously there'll be a lot of, I'm hoping we'll make about 3 or 4 videos about Japan.
Yeah, I don't know.
But yeah, we'll see. So, but that's kind of our update, isn't it? Say goodbye.
Bye.
Alright, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.